Hello everyone, I am Somya. Welcome to my YouTube channel Somya Technology. Like every day in this video, I am going to tell you a new troubleshoot technique that helps to run your program properly and enhance your system performance. So friends, you might have seen that when you try to browse your internet through Chrome browser, at that time a browser become very slow, even your internet speed is very high. Or when you open your Chrome browser, it takes too much time. There are some several process by which we can troubleshoot this problem and fix our Chrome browser with very fastly. Without taking any time, let's start our session. So friends, our first process is keep your Chrome updated. Okay. So to make your Chrome running smoothly and quickly, the first thing you should do is making sure that your Chrome is updated to the latest version. So for check the latest version and update your browser, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then you need to click on the three dot option to expand the Chrome menu. Then choose help from the menu box and click about Google Chrome. In this, a new page will appear. So in this page, your Chrome will start checking for updates and update to the latest version automatically. So when your update is completed, just restart the Chrome browser. Then go to our second process. Our second process is close unnecessary tabs. So in this process, when you open too many tabs in Chrome browser, then the browser consumes lots of resources and it becomes slow. So if you want to see how many resources your Chrome browser consumes, then just press Ctrl, Shift and Escape together on your keyboard. Then you will go to the task manager page. So in this page, here you can see consumption of resources for the Chrome browser. Actually, therefore, if you encounter Chrome running slow after opening plenty of tabs, just try to close some unnecessary ones so that we can overcome this issue. So then go to our third process. The third process is disable extension you don't need. So for implement of this process, just open your Chrome browser, then go to the Chrome menu after click on three dot option. Here you have to choose more tools and then select extension from the expanded menu. Okay, so then all your extension will be listed in this page. So just locate the extension you don't need and switch to disable them. Then you can also click remove it from your Chrome browser directly. So this should speed up your Chrome to a certain degree. Actually, this process is very helpful for those who add so many extensions in Chrome browser. So then go to our fourth process. Our fourth process is enable prediction services. Okay. So for this process, open your Chrome menu and choose settings. So in the new page, navigate to the advanced, then go to the privacy and security option. Here you have to locate user prediction service to load pages more quickly option. So you have to turn it switch on to enable it. Then just restart your Chrome browser. So in this way, your Chrome browser running slow should be fixed. Okay. So then go to our next process, that is fifth process. So this is our fifth process, that is clear your browsing data. So it is another feasible solution to clear your browsing data, as the cache and browsing history can lead to this issue as well. So for this you have to go the setting option, then navigate to privacy and security option and click on clear and browsing data option. So you can so when you get the following window, switch to the advanced tab first, then set the time range as all time and check all the listed item and click on clear data option. Okay. So then reopen your Google Chrome to check if this annoying issue has been removed. So this was our fifth process. Then go to our sixth process. The sixth process is use Chrome cleanup tool. So in this process, similarly you go to the setting option, then a new page will appear and just scroll down and click on advanced option. Then click on a new page will appear, then click on clean up computer option. Okay, then after that your computer check some harmful software that could affect on Chrome browser. So you have to remove that software. Okay, so that you can overcome these issues. So then go to our seventh process, which is our last process. This is the disable hardware acceleration. Similarly, go to the setting option, then a new page will appear, then just scroll down and click on advanced option. Then another page will come up then you can see a option that is use hardware acceleration when available. So you have to just disable this option. Okay, so in this way you can overcome this problem. So these were our seven process by which we can overcome this issue and we can fast our Chrome browser. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. So till that, take care and bye bye.